Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Bank Nifty Index options. For trading Bank Nifty Index option using our Eco Spike buy sell signal indicator, it is very important to predict the market opening and also to prepare ourselves with proper strike price selection for options day trading. For predicting the price opening, we can see Gift Nifty. Yesterday it closed around 24,450. And after the price opening, we could witness there was a drastic selling, and now the price had recovered and staying somewhere near 24,350. It gives us an indication that you can expect a gap down price opening. To what extent is still a question. Whether we are going to expect a little bit of higher gap down price opening or an average one. So coming back to on the left hand side, you can see the Bank Nifty Index chart, and it's a 5 minutes chart. Yesterday the market closed near 54,200. So you can expect today the price to open somewhere in and around 54,000, maybe a little bit below 54,200 or near 54,000. So it's quite clear that we can expect a gap down opening, and how to select option strike based on this. When we go and see the on the right hand side, you can see the Giga web version, and we have the option chart. In this we can select 54,000 call option and put option strike. See, if there is a very big gap down price opening, and it means that the market is negative on the buying side. So in order to protect ourselves, 54,000 call looks logically fine, so we can select 54,000 call option strike. And also if the price is opening and if it is on the selling side, 54,000 put option is also making some sense. Always try to select the whole number, round numbers that ends with 500 and 1000. Don't try to select the number that ends in hundreds, the strike price, because you can see the liquidity and open interest, they are very high in the number that ends in thousands rather than in hundreds. So this is our expectation for market opening. What we need to do, we need to wait and see the pre-open price. So after seeing the pre-open price, we can adjust ourselves, and we can keep our Eco Spike indicator also ready for day trading. So let us wait for the pre-open price around 9. Now the time is see 9:03. Around 9:07 to 9:08 we will get the pre-open price. Now we can see that the pre-open is showing exactly like 44,000 where we predicted or we expected the market to open. So what we can do now, there is no change in the strike price selection, and apart from this, when we do day trading, most of the day traders fear the most when there is a gap down and gap up price opening. But this Eco Spike indicator, it can give you absolute good signals whenever there is a gap down or gap up price opening. We would have seen these type of patterns, like the market opening lower and there is a complete reversal, or the market opening higher or lower and it goes along with the trend without giving us an opportunity to trade or enter into the market during the first 10 or 15 minutes of the trading session. But let us see how our Eco Spike indicator is going to react, and we can tell you that Eco Spike works very well whenever there is a gap down or gap up price opening, because there will be volatility whenever there is a gap up or gap down price opening. So now let us see where the market is going to open, and for the first 5 minutes after the market opening, we will try to track how our Eco Spike indicator is going to provide buy or sell signal. So now on the right we have our Eco Spike indicator ready, and also on the left we have our normal chart. Few seconds left for market opening. Let us see how our indicator is going to provide signal. So after the market opening, I'll enlarge the size of the chart for Eco Spike indicator. So 5 seconds left. Okay, Okay, fine. Now we can see a gap down price opening on the left hand side. We can see the price open like around 54,000. I'm going to enlarge the screen for eco spike indicator. Now let's check. After the opening, it had given a green signal. You should notice how fast it can provide signal and how fast the market is moving. That's one of the reason we told you that if you want to pick the momentum earlier, you should prepare yourself and you should be very fast to react. After the price opening, the market went 200 points. Most of the traders they will be watching the market, but if you are using eco spike indicator, if you're preparing yourself before the market opening, surely there was enough time for you to pick this trade. No one can give an excuse that we cannot pick this trade very fast. As like I mentioned you earlier, whenever the market opened with a gap down or gap up price opening, eco spike has got the ability to pick the trend very fast and put you far ahead of all the other traders. The first signal, it worked our way, but we need to wait and see how long this is going to carry, because there was some selling we saw in the gift Nifty. So we can expect some selling on tops, but for that also we need to wait for our eco spike indicator to give proper signals. We will continue this conversation for the first 5 minutes till 9:20, and yesterday also it had provided a very good buy and sell signal. The area where you need to watch is this trend line, eco trend line, this green line. Always try to take trade close to this line, so that whenever there is a closing below this green line, it is a sell signal. Okay, you should be prepared enough to take a put or close your existing position. So always try to trade very close to this line, so that your stop loss will be minimum and target will be maximum. You should be prepared enough to reverse your positions also whenever you do day trading. Day trading is always like a firefight, so we always you need to prepare yourself for that also. And still the eco spike, the signal, it's continuing on the buying side. The time is 9:18, around that. So now the price is hitting the eco band on the top, where it can find some resistance there. See 54,400, and what you can expect yesterday, if you see the yesterday's price action, 54,600 was a resistance, so slowly the price will move towards 54,600. Sorry, 54,600 was a resistance. The price will go and hit 54,600, because you see the difference. Certainly there is a spike, and this trend line is trying to come closer to this the price. So you can expect the price to go and hit 54,600. From there could be a possible reversal, or there are chances that it can give you a sell signal. I'm not talking about, sorry for saying as reversal, you can expect a sell signal. So let us wait and see. Now the time is 9:18. We'll continue this conversation till 9:20. After that, let's see how the market is going to react and how far you can trade using our signals. Our eco spike signals can give you good entry and exit throughout the trading session. And it's you can witness that how close after every candlestick the trend line is trying to come very close to it. So it's a very fast indicator for day trader and day traders. So the price is likely to hit 54,600. From there onwards, there could be a possible resistance, because yesterday that zone acted completely like a resistance. But the trick is here, there was a gap down opening, but a complete reversal after gap down opening, and that's the wonder of this eco spike signal. And so it's 9:20. Let us see how the market is going to react in in and around 54,600. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.